Kaya Mark, ano mga bagay na ang kailangan para ma-approve po yung mga special vote? Ano bang special vote? Kailangan ba yun?
Yung sinabi ko na yung pag-expel ng congressman,
Yan, special vote. Yung kay Kiko Barzaga, special vote yun.
kailangan two-third yun. Two-third ng entire membership of the House of Representatives. Yung pag-declare ng state of war, pag-override ng veto power ng ating presidente, yun, pag-amend ng ating constitution, two-third din kailangan. To call a convention or kung CONAS, three-fourth ang kailangan. Or impeachment, kailangan ng two-third of all the members of the Senate. So, kailangan two-third of the entire members of the Senate. For example, kay pag-impeach ni Vice President Sara Duterte, kailangan 16. Hindi pwede mabawasan yan. Two-third of all members. Hindi two-third those who are qualified to vote, ha? So, baka bawasan naman nila na kasi hindi nila bilang si Jingo Estrada at saka si Bato de la Rosa. Hindi. Sabi ng batas, two-third of all the members of the Senate, yun ang kailangan to convict an impeachable officer.